That is, the first of any that we are treating. Earth resistance test. Somebody will be wondering, earth resistance test. So does earth see the conductor? Is the earth a conductor? Why are we looking for its resistance? You see the reason why we must look for the resistance of the earth now, to save people, to save ignorant people, people that unintentionally get in contact with current in that house due to error, due to leakage or circuit or something, to save them from death. And you, as an engineer, must be committed to that, because you do not want the blood of somebody to be on your head. Yes, when you're not getting a project, you don't now say, "Earth, that one is small. It's small to need." If somebody should die in the future due to that installation, God is looking at you, holding you accountable. Because listen up. Today, if you did not know before, engineer actually told you. So now you are being held responsible. What you should do in a building after the installation. You know, some contractors will even, after doing the earth electrode, they will go and carry charcoal, salt, and things like that. Abi? Why are they doing those things? To reduce the resistance of the earth around that place, so that when there is a fault current, the soil will easily carry away that current down the body of the man in the house. I think you get it. Yes, so somebody might be wondering, some of you who work with contractors, you see that they are pouring charcoal, they are pouring salt, as if they are stupid. They are not. They want to save their head from the death of another man. That's what they are trying to do. Are you there now? So as an engineer, you must not do fake job. That is why this part of the course is very important. You must know what you are doing. You must be responsible for things that you are doing. Are you there? So now, to determine the earth resistance test, there are standard values that we need to get. That, okay, around this place, the soil resistance is this so value. If it is higher than normal standard value, then that means improvement has to be done on that soil before you go as a contractor or as the engineer that has to. Are you there? Even though people that do all the installation all around, they may not carry it out. They still believe that it will be low, and so they will carry salt, they will carry charcoal. I mean, in case if it is low, even though they will not test, but you as an engineer know that it should be tested first. And this is the test we are talking about. All right. Now let me sketch the test on the board. How we carry out the tests. I will sketch it on the board so that you see what we are talking about.